Chapter 6, Optimization. Chapter 6.1, Optimization.
You should increase the average customer spending.
I see. How will I be able to do that?
You can use marketing mix again.
Again?
Yeah, by repeating the cycle, you can continuously improve your cafe.
Well, I will start the morning by setting a reasonable price for food and coffee.
Excellent!
Chapter 6.2, Customer Lifetime Value.
And you should increase CLV as well.
CLV.
Yeah, CLV stands for Customer Lifetime Value.
Customer Lifetime Value. I see. What does CLV mean?
CLV means prediction of the net profit attributed to the entire future relationship with a customer, because the repeater can effectively increase more profit than one-time customers do.
If so, I should increase the repeater as your customers.
Yeah, what will you do to get the repeater of your cafe?
Well, I will make point cards for members to receive a discount service.
Excellent. Thus, by repeating the cycle, you can continuously improve your cafe to satisfy your customers.
Thanks for your help. I will continue to work on improving customer satisfaction. Thank you, Susan.
You are welcome, Eric. You can do it.